today's video, we were going to show you how communication works. Communication works in
Verbal.
Non-verbal.
written.
If you are ready, let's start!
The first way of communication is verbal way. In this way, people communicate personally.
That's crazy, bro!
The second way of communication is non-verbal way. In this way, people use a body gesture to send a message. The third way of communicating is written way. In this way, you can use paper to write a message and pass a message to someone. In communicating, we have two different tones to use, either aggressive tone or non-aggressive tone. And now we will show you how aggressive tone be like.
2 hours later.
Alam niyo, dapat si Ellie kinakausap niyo yan eh.
Yes, totoo.
Kasi di ba daw na magsalita siya, ganun din na na-expect ng tao sa kanya. Diba?
Gagawin natin yun sa kanya. Ganyan yan siya.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Uy, may galit ata sa'yo si UB. Dapat doon kinakausap ka. Bakit daw? Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Hello? Alam niyo, dapat kinakausap niyo si Ellie. Kasi ganun yung nag-expect ng tao sa kanya eh.
Oo nga. Dapat talaga kinakausap siya. Yes,
Diba?
true. Kasi ganyan yan siya. Parati siyang ganyan. Ay, may galit ata sa'yo si UB.
Bakit?
Dapat daw kausapin ka.
Bakit?
So ayun guys, we show you how communication works. Communication works in verbal way, non-verbal way, and written way. Also, ang expression natin is nagmamatter kapag nakikipag-communicate tayo to others. We should think how we communicate in aggressive way or non-aggressive way. Yes. So,
Yeah.
I hope you learn a lot from this video. See you guys on next video.
Well done! We go